Hi y'all, welcome back to another nail video. Today is the 1st of September. Well, it might not be the 1st of September when I get to posting this, but it'll probably still be September, meaning it's officially Halloween season. But of course, I'm not trying to be too spooky too fast, so we're just gonna ease into the season by doing some autumn colored nails. I went ahead and filed off all the previous polish and any builder gel that was starting to lift, put on some sunscreen and gloves, then here we go with some dehydrator. You want long-lasting nails? Adding a dehydrator to your nail prep routine is the answer. It removes all the extra moisture and oils on the surface of your nails, which allows for better adhesion when curing your gels. I want to encapsulate some silver glitter into a couple of my nails, so for easier cleanup, we're going to grab a piece of paper and fold that in half. This will catch all the glitter so it's easier to put it back into the little container it comes in. Then we're going to go in with the base coat, but don't cure, we want the gel to stay sticky. Grab your glitter, then slowly add it to your nail. I don't know why I shook the tube, because now I gotta spend an egregious amount of time spooning the glitter that fell back onto the nail with a tiny paintbrush. Yes, there are more efficient ways of doing this, but I was working with what I had immediately in front of me. Use the same brush to pat the glitter down, submerging it as much as you can into the uncured base gel, then using a separate clean brush off any excess glitter that has made it onto your skin. I'm going to repeat those steps on my ring finger, add some base coat to the other fingers, then cure for 60 seconds. Next up, the hard gel. Because I removed the previous polish and all the bits that looked like they were starting to lift, I had to do a little fill. I'm essentially taking the hard gel / builder gel and adding a thin layer on top of my nails to give my nails the strength and structure it needs to grow while also locking in that glitter. Cure it for 120 seconds, then wipe down your nail surfaces with some alcohol. I highly recommend this step as the hard gel I have tends to cure down sticky, so when I go in to do my other hand, I end up with a ton of unwanted dust and cat hair stuck to my nails. Time for some color. Okay, so the plan is to add one color to each of the 3 remaining nails, then maybe go in with some swirls on top of that base, then finish it off with these black star stickers. I would love to add some bats and such, but I realized halfway through this that I don't actually have any black polish. So yeah, great start to this Halloween season. Whatever, we can still make this look cute. Okay, so I painted 2 coats of each base color, curing 60 seconds between each coat, then went in for a yin-yang type of block swirl on each finger. Cured for 60 seconds, then added lines in between the 2 colors with another color and cured for 60 seconds. Honestly, I don't like how they turned out, so I decided to just stop and just add the stars before things got worse. But of course, I have no self-control, so I thought I'd add some white specks so it'd look more like nighttime stars. Then of course, lock the look in with some top coat. Add some jojoba oil to keep your cuticles healthy, and there we go, the final look. Honestly, I'm not too mad at them because the colors are indeed on theme. It's just the design looks more like I'm going to some pep rally. So on the other hand, I just opted for a more simple look with these solid colors, and honestly, I like them way more. They just look less chaotic and easier to style with my autumn fits. Anyways, I still had fun doing this. The whole process only took me 4 hours instead of the usual 12, so I'm definitely proud of how far I've come. Thank you for watching this video all the way to the very end. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more DIY content. If there is a Halloween themed nail design you'd like me to try, just let me know in the comments below. Have a fabulous weekend and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!